In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login problems on TikTok. Let's get started. So if you're trying to log into TikTok using Facebook and it's not working, there are a few things you can try. First, close TikTok and open the Facebook app. Go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines. Now go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Scroll down and find Apps and Websites. Tap on it. Make sure this option is turned on, so Facebook allows login for other apps. Once that's done, go back to TikTok and try logging in again. If it's still not working, the next thing you can try is restarting the app. Close TikTok completely and open it again. Now try logging in with Facebook. If the issue is still there, you can try deleting TikTok and reinstalling it. Press and hold the app, and delete it. Then download it again from the App Store or Play Store and try logging in. Finally, if it says your password is incorrect, go to Facebook and reset your password. Then come back and try logging in again. And that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.